A history of innovation and leadership. You are now part of a company that combines the dynamic energy and potential of a startup organization with an unparalleled 50-plus year history of innovation and leadership in the field of medical imaging. The story of Lantheus Medical Imaging begins in 1956 with the founding of New England Nuclear, which was originally based in Boston and focused on developing radio-labeled chemicals for life sciences research. NEN grew to become a leader in the field of medical imaging, pioneering the diagnostic use of thallium-201 manufactured in cyclotrons on the Billerica site. Within NEN, the medical imaging group continued to grow and evolve as it transitioned to ownership by DuPont and later Bristol-Myers Squibb. In 2008, BMS Medical Imaging was acquired by Avista Capital Partners and formally relaunched as Lantheus Medical Imaging, operating again as an independent company. Today, Lantheus Medical Imaging has more than 600 employees worldwide, with headquarters in Billerica and operations in Puerto Rico, Canada, and Australia. Our foundation as a company is our mission, vision, and values, which were developed by a cross-functional employee team working closely with our senior leaders. Our mission. Our mission tells the world our purpose and what we do. We create and provide pioneering medical imaging solutions to improve treatment of human disease. Our mission also serves to guide our actions and priorities in a challenging medical environment. The world is struggling to provide higher levels of medical care while at the same time controlling costs. Our products improve the quality and accuracy of diagnosis of certain disease states and at the same time reduce healthcare expenses. Our vision. Our vision tells the world where we want our mission to take us. To be the leading provider of innovative medical imaging solutions to improve human life. We will continue to develop and provide new and innovative products that help medical providers more accurately diagnose cardiac and arterial conditions and other illnesses. As a result of more accurate diagnosis, treatments will be better targeted, patient outcomes will be greatly improved, and overall costs will be reduced. Our values. Our values set important standards for how we work together and make day-to-day decisions. Accountability, taking full ownership on meeting objectives. Communication, communicating with openness and transparency. Customer commitment, focusing on what is most beneficial for our customers. Entrepreneurial spirit, being intelligently and emotionally committed. Integrity, exhibiting quality in how we think and reason and act. Safety, demonstrating an unwavering commitment to the safety of our employees, patients, customers, and communities. Teamwork, aligning with others to leverage our strengths.
In customer service, I see our value of customer commitment in action every single day. All of our customers appreciate the dedication and 24/7 support that we provide. These are the foundations on which Lantheus Medical Imaging builds their long-term and valuable customer relationships. But customer commitment is just one of the values that we put to action in every interaction with our customers. We keep all of our values in mind as we work to deliver outstanding service and nurture the important relationships that make our company so unique.
Our strategy. With fully integrated research, clinical and commercial operations, our growth strategy is focused in 3 core areas. Maximize our existing product portfolio. In-license products that leverage and utilize our core competencies. And invest in key pipeline initiatives to create the next generation of diagnostic tools. Our commercial products helping patients today. Our products include the echocardiography contrast agent Definity, which is used when echocardiography without contrast produces suboptimal images. Suboptimal imaging occurs in about 20% of all echo studies. Cardiolite, the most successful radiopharmaceutical imaging agent ever brought to market. Technolite, long considered the workhorse of nuclear medicine because it provides radiopharmacists with the radioactive material used in many diagnostic imaging kit formulations, including Cardiolite. Ablavar, a first-in-class magnetic resonance agent indicated for the evaluation of aortoiliac occlusive disease in adults with known or suspected peripheral vascular disease. Thallium-201, which continues to play an important role in patient diagnosis and management. In addition, we manufacture an array of other radiopharmaceuticals that are used by physicians to assess the health of several different organs in the body. These include Neurolite, a brain imaging agent, Gallium-67, which is used to image acute inflammation, and Xenon-133 gas, which is used to assess lung function.
Medical imaging is critical for making the correct diagnosis and for characterizing the extent and severity of disease, so that the best treatment decisions can be made for each patient. Our products help ensure that medical images provide as much clinical information as possible, which is what makes them so valuable in patient care and management.
Manufacturing and operations. Our world-class radiopharmaceutical manufacturing operations include a state-of-the-art Technolite technetium-99m generator production line and 6 cyclotrons. We often refer to our radioactive products, such as Technolite and Thallium-201, as hot products. These products are manufactured on the Billerica site. The special processing and handling requirements of these products and the quick decay of radioactivity present enormous manufacturing and distribution challenges. To meet the needs of our customers and patients, manufacturing operations usually runs around the clock and on weekends. As one example, the raw material for our Technolite generator is molybdenum-99, a reactor-produced isotope. Since there are no suppliers of molybdenum-99 in the United States, we import it from countries as close as Canada, but also as far away as South Africa. We immediately process the molybdenum-99 we receive into Technolite generators, which are on their way to customers less than 18 hours after the raw material arrives on our site. Cardiolite, Definity, and Ablavar are not radioactive and are referred to as our cold products. They are manufactured at other locations in conjunction with our supply chain partners. We work closely with those partners to support their manufacturing technology, ensure quality, and facilitate the distribution. We have developed an unparalleled distribution network to make sure our customers have our products when they need them, where they need them.
We're committed to doing everything we can to get product to our customers. When they need it, where they need it. It can be very challenging and the schedule can be tough, but there's great spirit in our group because we know what we're doing can have positive impact in patients' lives.
Research and development. The future of medical imaging is being created in our research and development facilities on our Billerica site. Here, our research scientists are pioneering new and better imaging agents, including what we anticipate will be a breakthrough PET agent for myocardial perfusion imaging and for heart failure. Our researchers represent many scientific and medical disciplines and continue leading imaging technology with cutting-edge science on disease state diagnosis. Our skilled clinical development, medical affairs, and regulatory affairs teams direct our clinical trials in the United States and worldwide. We partner with leading physicians and many medical centers around the world to further our research and advance our products through clinical trials. Because our products directly impact patient health and safety, we work in a highly regulated environment with strict standards throughout the organization. Our vision of becoming the world's leading provider of innovative medical imaging solutions will be realized by the best research and clinical organizations in the industry. Flurpiridaz F18. Our clinical development efforts include promising programs to develop novel positron emission tomography imaging traces, including Flurpiridaz F18, a fluorine-18 radio-labeled myocardial perfusion imaging agent now in clinical trials. We also have additional early-stage programs underway in areas of imaging vulnerable plaque and other disease states.
Here at Lantheus, we really do achieve our drug discovery goals. It's very extraordinary to see the efforts you and your colleagues have made in the lab displayed in an image of a human being, and knowing that by creating these imaging agents, we'll make a positive impact on countless lives. That's something that I think about every day, and it is what makes working here so rewarding and exciting.
Our international operations. Lantheus Medical Imaging's scope is international. We manage both a network of radiopharmacies and global distribution networks from our international headquarters in Montreal, Canada. In the United States, Europe, Middle East, Asia Pacific, Central and Latin America, our products are distributed through our distribution partners. In Canada, Puerto Rico, and Australia, we own and operate our own network of radiopharmacies to prepare patient doses of potentially life-saving diagnostic imaging agents and other radiopharmaceuticals for the local hospitals and medical centers we serve. About 1/3 of our sales revenues come from our international operations, and we have more than 100 employees working in these locations. We have plans to expand our distribution into India, China, and elsewhere around the world.
Working for the international operations is very fulfilling because we can grow professionally and personally. Every day we are challenged by different languages, regulations, time zones. These shape us as global citizens. Welcome to Lantheus Medical Imaging. Bienvenidos a Lantheus Medical Imaging.
The Billerica campus. Located 25 miles northwest of Boston, our Billerica campus, our company headquarters, comprises close to 210 acres, about half of which is undeveloped woods and wetlands. In addition to its natural beauty, the Billerica site's amenities include a full-service cafeteria, a fully equipped fitness center, and a ball field. Our Billerica site is the location for many of our business functions that include R&D, regulatory affairs, manufacturing, quality, operations, U.S. sales and marketing, business development, human resources, finance, information technology, and legal. In the warm weather months, we often have barbecues and special events outside. And all year round, you'll see your new colleagues out for walks or jogging along the site's roadways. Your contribution. What you've just seen only begins to tell the story of Lantheus Medical Imaging. In the coming days and weeks, as your career with us gets underway, the story will continue to unfold as you get to know your new colleagues and begin to make your contribution in support of our valued customers and their patients.
Working for Lantheus Medical Imaging has been a great experience for me. The people are wonderful, the atmosphere is exciting, and we make products that positively impact countless lives. I am very proud to be a Lantheus employee.